Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a live chat widget in GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the Sites menu. At the top of that page, you will see an option called Chat Widget. Click on it to open the Chat Widget section. Now you will either create a new widget or edit an existing one. To create a new widget, click on the plus new button. If you already have a widget and want to make changes, simply click on that widget to open its settings. Next, you need to choose the type of chat widget. For real-time messaging, select either all-in-one chat or live chat. This will make sure that messages from visitors are sent directly to your conversation's inbox so you can respond quickly. Now it is time to customize the appearance. Start with the chat window. You can edit the title, add a welcome message, and upload an avatar image that matches your brand. This helps make your chat look more professional. Then move to colors and position. You can change the colors to match your website design and adjust where the chat button appears on the screen. After that, set up the contact form. Choose which fields you want to collect, such as name, email, or phone number. This helps you capture leads. You can also enable business hours. This lets visitors know when your team is available to reply. Finally, click Save. If your site or funnel is connected to the same account, the widget will appear automatically. Thanks for watching.